There are many methods for doing introduction to shot and introduction to birds. This is one of them. This is my Gun X starter pistol. And this is ChaseGriffon. So what I am going to do, now Chase is already retrieving fairly reliable to hand, and he's had birds in his mouth. So what we're going to do now is, and he's already, by the way, this is his third session of this, so he should be, right now he's watching for birds, watching birds flying around. He's watching for stuff flying. I'm going to shoot in the air. He's looking. I think you saw that. Chase. Good boy. Sit. Good boy, kid. Good boy. Sit. Good. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to just try and stand on this lead this time. If I can do a quicker process, because I've only got two hands here. Chase. Good. Come. Good boy. Alright, now what I have is a homing pigeon that has been taped across the body loosely. Now, you will kill them if you tape them too tight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to step on the lead. I'm going to put that down for him lightly. I'm going to back up. It's taped so it doesn't flap him in the face. Sit. And he's had dead pigeons and he's had frozen pigeons. This is his second live bird taped. Chase. Good. Good boy. Come. Come. Good. Sit. All right. Good boy. Good. Okay. So now, that was pretty solid. Now what I'm going to do, I'm actually not going to have the lead on him here just because I'm not. Come on, Chase. Come on, Chase. Good. So I'm going to give him a shot in the air while he's looking up. Bird flops. Good. Come. Come. Good boy. Give. Alright, there you go. Young, 12-week-old, 13-week-old British Labrador Retriever, introduction to bird, introduction to shot.